Hi there, Jan Sverre again. Over here with one of my older Myfords. I was trying to set up the spindle again, re-scrape, readjust bearings and the procedure. And as you know, I've been using the 7205B from NTN as replacements for the original Myfords. These are actually English, but anyway, these are not really worn. I mean, out of these 7 I got, was probably 3 were worn, the other 4 were okay. But as they were, let's say, of not known condition, I wanted to buy new ones anyway. And these angular contact bearings are okay enough, but then I came across this article which talks about replacing these angular contact bearings with tapered roller bearings, which, as the article suggests, provides a little bit stiffer and arrangement and also easier adjustment. So the article then describes how you just modify these lock nuts so that they are not interfering with the new bearing design or bearing replacement, and then a new little bit shorter distance piece. So I thought I'd be doing that. So here we go. They should be seated with the middle, of course, like that. The inner ring to the middle. Okay. And then, of course, this guy as normal upwards. Checking. Okay, there. And as you can see, there are this is a mess. Okay, clearly not going. Okay, second try. First install a knot. Okay, sewing around there. And then I will install this arrangement. Back to back. Must be like this. No. And then this arrangement will clearly fall out, I'm pretty certain, but so maybe that was not the best idea. Maybe I will take it like that, ensuring that yeah, of course, what the heck, take the rings first. And then this guy, which should be with that slot on top. Because of oiling. And then this other here. Okay. And now keeping it still. Like that. And the other one. Yeah, we'll see. I'm not installing every component, just the ones needed to measure up the spindle. I think we're at the end there, it's stuck. Then we install this guy. Everything is so nice and oily, so slippery. Like that. Yeah. No. Somehow I knew this was not going to be so easy. The spindle wasn't far enough, or this wasn't far enough in, so I needed to do that. Now, of course, we can attempt at least to snug it up. Just certain that it doesn't move. And now we can adjust this knot inwards to where the spindle is stuck. Or beginning to get not so easy to rotate. Here we are, I think. Yeah, now it's stuck. So now I adjust this tool. Okay, seems to be I need a somewhat broader shim here. Okay, and I release it a little bit. 15 degrees. So. Now test again. Still too much. Hmm.